of 10 years of domain, they may or may not consider. Those are live examples or live experience. I also faced it when we go for interviews when I was working in India. So most of the times the people like our management or HR used to tell that when the domain is more than 8 years, you try to keep it hold or consider if the candidate is too good. So these kind of things also happen. Why did you have this much domain? Why did you want to change the job? Because 15 years means you are already certain expertise you have in that area. So suddenly you wanted to change the domain means because they cannot fit you for a junior role. At the same time, they cannot fit you for some kind of a mid-level role because your skills are not that up to the mark. Your skills are at the junior level, but you cannot work as a junior. At the same time, if you are very good managing skills and all, then may be useful, but not like a consultant, because you learn your skills can be utilized to understand the process, and your past experience of 15 years of experience managing team and all, it will be helpful for you to become a team lead or a project manager. So still you need to have certain skills of project management and all, but 15 years means definitely I can say you will face challenge if when it comes to India, because keep certain experience means we have to take certain roles. Okay, few foreign countries and all, if they want to change the domain, I want to join as a junior consultant, you pay me this much, I'm okay for that. I just want to change the career and let me work for this less salary for 2-3 years. Okay, once I get command, then I can increase the salary. That kind of opportunities need to be increased in India also. But we have that issue when you are crossing 40 or 35 to 40 plus, then you want to change a career to IT. The situation is very difficult because you cannot fit into the fresher, you cannot fit into the mid level, senior level anyway, you cannot fit into that level of skills you don't have. Only the another one is that team lead or project management, where you need to do less system things, but you have to manage a team of 8 people, 10 people, organizing their work and organizing the timesheet and organizing work allocation, how you are going to allocate their work priority. So that level of knowledge is you have means then you can manage such kind of a roles. You learn, knowledge will never be wasted. And if you go to YouTube, we have a video suggestions to domain employees by Ganesh Padala. There I explained about all these real challenges and how to manage after few years of experience. If you want to change the domain from the manufacturing to SAP, what kind of activities you need to take care, how do you need to plan your transition. Okay? Learn, try to utilize that one to get a job, or if not getting a job to use for your work, you can go to, for example, you are working in a manufacturing of tires. Okay? So you have a 15 years of experience, you know in and out of how does the production happens and how does procurement happens. So what kind of different raw materials they are going to buy, how they are storing, and how to improve the efficiency of the procurement process to reduce the cost and to increase the profit to the company. And how do they plan their materials, whether material requirement planning, whether reorder point is required or normal production is required. So that level of skills you have, so that you need to showcase that I learned SAP, I did a certification, or else I learned SAP MM, I have a good knowledge, and I have 15 years of vast experience in industry, where I can talk about procurement, I can talk about production. I'm looking for an opportunity to change my career due to certain other reasons. So I'm not looking for, currently I'm getting 15 lakh or 12 lakh package, I want the similar package. I'm okay to work for 6 lakh, 7 lakh also fine, 5 lakhs also fine, but I want to join and I want to work for some time. So like that, you need to prepare a cover letter and project yourself, so you may get it. But definitely I can't say it, someone may get the chance, but after 8 years or 10 years, if someone wanted to change until their package is too less, it will be challenging for them. They have to sacrifice for package, they have to sacrifice for the position. Currently he might be a assistant manager, a manager in the manufacturing company, where he is getting a lot of respect, a lot of people people are reporting to him and all. But when it comes to uh, in a junior consultant or something you're joining, definitely you may not get that kind of thing, right? Someone will order you or someone will ask you to do the work. They may not order you because 80 to 90, at least 70 to 80% people will be friendly in IT, they will tell you. but they also have a pressure from their management, right? They, so why didn't you complete, you supposed to deliver by Friday or Thursday. So definitely that kind of a pressure when he is facing, some of the pressure they will distribute to the team. So it's a part of that. Yeah, it's good to see that when people management and like a leader, manager, is all comparisons and all we see, but when it comes to real practical, everybody feels that pressure, and some people manage very nicely, and few people take the pressure and show on others, and few people take the pressure not able to show on others and also not able to manage it, they compress. So the different people, how they are handling the situation. But after 8 years of 10 years of domain experience, changing a job will definitely have a lot of challenges, getting opportunity and compromise for the salary, compromise for position, lot of things can happen. So you need to be ready for everything. And for the people, if anyone is with 1 year 2 years of domain experience, please try to speed up to change your career, because you're how much you're delaying personal, also you will be getting married or kids, that responsibilities and changing the domain, you may think too much as a risk. Okay, I also worked in manufacturing, but I changed around some 3+ years. I moved to SAP. Thank God, thank to SAP for giving that smooth transition, and also a great career what I had for last 12 years. So try to speed up, don't delay too much. Definitely you will face a lot of challenges when you want to change.